And today we're going to be checking out this SYMA X400 drone. That's right, this is a little beginner drone that you can fly around indoors. You can fly it outdoors on a calm day. It's got a little camera in there. I'm not sure what the resolution is. Let's see, it just says first person view camera, so not really sure the resolution. I'm sure it'll be inside. We'll find out what that is. But you also have one key takeoff. You can control it with an app. You can set a flight plan, which is very cool. It transmits through Wi-Fi. It can do stunt flips, 360-degree flips, 2 speeds, 2 batteries, and you can fly it indoors. So let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down, open it up, see what's inside, and then take it for a test flight. So let's get into it. Alrighty, and here it is. Just that easy. Nice presentation right on top of the box. We'll pull out the little mystery box on the inside. You do, of course, get the manual for the X400. Now, if you download the SYMA app for your SYMA drones, I have several of them, you will see that it's one app for all their drones. I know some companies like to have multiple apps for their drones, but they keep it nice and simple. All right, so what we see in here is this controller. It's actually a nice size controller, black on silver. We have this little bag right here. What's in the mystery bag? A whole bunch of goodies. You have an extra set of propellers. You have a full set of prop guards. You have your extra battery. And then this has got to be your charging equipment in here. Let's see what it is. Oh, very nice. They give you a clamp. This clamp goes on your controller, just like so, to hold your cell phone, of course, so you can see what the drone sees. You get a little Phillips screwdriver for changing props and working on your drone. I'm sure that's also for removing your battery case on the back. And then you get a charger for your batteries. So everything you need to get going. 2 batteries for twice the fun. I think it's now time to just go ahead and charge this up, put it in the air, and see what it can do. Okay, so we got the drone on the floor. I got the controller here. You can see my carpet on the screen. I'm going to try to hold this where you can see it. You see it did bring up controls, so I can fly this way if I want to. I can use the auto takeoff. So I'm going to try to use the auto takeoff. And you can see it works. Flies like any other drone. Let's go ahead. Try to do a flip. Nice and easy. Now we're in speed 2, which is going to be a little faster. Let's see if we can do a side flip. Yep, you can flip any direction. And you can crash, but as you can see, the drone is completely okay. So we're just going to set it on the floor, go up on the stick to recalibrate it, and there we go. We're back flying again. I don't know if you guys can see, but as you can tell, it's a nice little drone. It works very well. You can use the FPV indoors or outdoors, and overall, a nice little indoor beginner drone. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.